Hi everyone, my name is Archery Mark. Thanks for joining me in this channel. Right here I am showing you a recipe on how to make Mukimo. If you can see very well, this is Mukimo. That's how we call it. It's apparently simple, a mixture of potatoes, mashed potatoes, peas and maize or corn. So what you do to achieve this dish, first of all, that's the Kikuyu name of mashed potatoes, peas and the corn. It's a very common Kikuyu food found mainly in the Kikuyu community, enjoyed. It's one of the best healthy, yummy, delicious food that you can cook for your husband, your wife, or even your family back at home. So what you need here is, to achieve this dish, you need, this is what you need. You need this kind of peas. Apparently I used these ones that are right here in this can. The next thing that you need is simply the corn, which is right here. It's actually super sweet. If you don't have any kind of corn, you can just use this one, which is most probably available in all supermarkets. And finally, you need what you need next is potatoes. Make sure you get the best potatoes that you can get in your available or in your nearest supermarket. So what you will do to get this dish is, you start first of all with boiling the potatoes. Boil the potatoes. First of all, peel these potatoes while they are still full. You don't have to slice them, you don't have to cut them, just peel just as they are. Peel them like this and boil them just like they are. No cutting, no slicing, nothing. Wash them, put them in a pot, cook them until they are ready, and then put your peas, as I had shown you before, and the maize. Once you do that, mix them together with the potatoes, and then add some salt to taste. Finally, mix the whole potatoes, the peas, and the maize together. Mix them while they're still boiling, and then after warming, they just have to heat a bit. I mean, the mixture of the peas and the maize just has to heat a little bit. So once you're done with that, drain the water from the whole mixture of peas, corn and potatoes. Drain the water, as I can show you right here. This is what I do. I drain the water in a separate bowl, just like you see right here, just in case the food turns to be very dry. You can simply just add a few drops of the water inside your Mukimo dish, and then after that you start mashing them using this kind of cooking utensil, which we call this in Kikuyu moiko. If you can see this very well, this is a Kikuyu or a traditional Kenyan moiko. It's just simply a cooking stick that is used to mash around the cooking mixture of Mukimo, or the cooking mixture of the peas, the beans, and the maize. So just continue mashing them together, and make sure everything is mixed together, right? Proportionally. You don't have to have like a lot of a lot of corn or a lot of peas. Just make sure you balance the whole mixture, just as you can see what is happening here in this food. So finally, while you are done with the mixing, you will come up with this kind of mukimo, and it's so delicious and healthy. It can be eaten by kids, babies as well, and every member of the family. So depending, so so nice, yummy, delicious. Oh my goodness. So finally, it all depends with how you want. You can serve it right away as it is, right like this, or you can still fry this in a pan or in another separate pot. Just put or just add some onions, fry the onions in some oil, and then add your mukimo inside. Or you can fry the onions in a separate pot or a pan with some oil, and then add the onions right inside your mukimo and start mixing or continue mixing, just to make sure that everything is incorporated inside. And that is finally the end of this beautiful recipe of cooking mukimo, traditional mukimo or Kikuyu mukimo. You can serve this with meat stew, chicken stew, whatever you want. So I'm just going to show you right here what I am doing. This is what I'm having to serve with my mukimo, or you can serve this with some salad or whatever that you have inside the house. So enjoy your meal wherever you are. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you so much, and till we meet again, goodbye.